I'm heading home from my trip from Lake Tahoe. Just charged my car up, and I want to talk about risk. I want to talk about gambling. Are you taking risk in your optical? Behind me here, I have a casino. There's a ton of them in Nevada. I am not sure why you guys like to gamble. Anyways, what type of risk are you taking? Are you bringing in new frame lines that you think would never sell to your clientele? Maybe have some color, maybe have wacky shapes. Maybe it's a price point that's higher than you're used to selling. Are you taking risks hiring a new staff member? Maybe an extra staff member because you're running short, but you're not sure you can sustain an extra one. Are you taking risk of getting on electronic health records? I mean, come on, you should be on electronic health records. Another risk you could take is being open on Saturday. You will make more revenue that way. I know it's a pain in the butt and we all hate to do it, but you will make more. So think about what risk you are taking or not taking and see if you can apply those and make the leap to do it this year. Maybe another risk you could take is changing the way people dress in your office. Maybe you're not liking it, maybe you are liking it, but switch those things up. Maybe you want to get into the sector of dry eye or scleral lenses. These are things that you can actually do. How about bespoke eyewear? You don't have to be afraid of these things. You can actually get into it, take some risks, make some gambles. What's the worst that happens? You give up, you move on to something else. We don't take enough risk in private practice. Boutique opticals, we generally are the status quo, and that is bad. Maybe a risk for you this year is to purchase some marketing. Maybe you've never marketed your practice. You relied on VSP and iMed and Superior and Davis to market your practice, but this is the year for you to actually lay down some marketing dollars and get some skin in the game. You can do it. I feel it. Don't worry about putting a little financials out there. You'll feel good and you'll get a return on your investments. So take some risk, gamble, throw those dice, and you'll see your revenue go up. Signing out.